So I started my veggies, green peppers, red, orange, yellow. Can't forget the onions. Now I'm gonna cut up the beef with the cabbage so I can get that started. Alright, so what do y'all season y'all cabbage with? Now that I got my onions, peppers, and sausage cut. I like to season it with onion over there. My favorite, girly with herb. You're gonna see this in every video. Get used to it. That shit hit every time. Ain't no miss. Shout out to Sam's Club. And then we got some Tony Creole. His shit be hitting too. I ain't even gonna hold it. So I'm seasoning that. They got a little adobo. And we finna start this pan so I can start cutting up my cabbage. Alright, so now that I cut up my cabbage, I'm gonna put my veggies, my sausage inside the cabbage, and let it cook down a little bit, and then re-season my cabbage. Alright, so I'm still waiting for my chicken to thaw, and I'm gonna get started on my cornbread. I'm just gonna follow instructions on the back of the box and put it in the oven. Alright, so now that I have everything on the back of the box in a bowl, I just stir it up real good, and then I'll put it in the oven for, it's on 350, about 20 minutes. Now the oven is preheated, and I'm gonna put my cornbread in the oven.